This video shows the proper installation steps for the GOJO NXT Space Saver and applies to GOJO, Purell, Provon, and Micrel dispensers. Please read all instructions carefully before installing and using the dispenser. Find a suitable location for your dispenser. If you're installing the dispenser above a countertop, be sure to leave at least 4 inches of clearance between the counter and the bottom of the dispenser. Clean the installation area with an alcohol pad and allow the surface to dry for at least 60 seconds. Peel the paper off of the installation tape. Open the dispenser by releasing the latch at the bottom of the back plate. Press firmly on the back plate and hold the dispenser in position for 10 seconds. For maximum hold, let the adhesive set for 24 hours before adding the refill. Push the bag and refill pump into the pump house until secure. Close the dispenser cover securely. To install the dispenser with fasteners, use the back plate as a stencil to mark the pilot holes. Then drill the holes for the fasteners using the marked holes. Insert a number 10 by 1 inch wall anchor into each of the pilot holes and gently tap it into place with a hammer. Make sure the anchors are flush with the wall. Preset 4 Type A number 10 by 1 inch screws by partially tightening them into the pilot holes. Then hang the dispenser from the screws. With the dispenser hung and locked into position, tighten the screws the rest of the way, being careful not to over-tighten. Push the bag and refill pump into the pump house until secure. Close the dispenser cover securely.